So guys, for the first method, you want to go to search and type in Task Manager. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to find Windows Explorer. Once you find it, you want to click on it and then click on Restart Task. Your screen's going to go black and then it's going to return again. See if that works. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you want to go to search and type in services. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on any service one time and then click on W on your keyboard. Now you want to scroll down until you find Windows Time. Double click on it. Make sure that you have the startup type on automatic and then click on start, which will now make the server status running, and then click on OK. Now you want to go to search and type in change the date and time. Click on it. And now once you're on this, make sure that your time zone is correct. Make sure that you have set time automatically turned on. Now you want to scroll down and then click on sync now. Make sure that your date and time is fully synced up. For the next method, you want to go to search and type in edit group policy. Click on it. And now once you're on this, under user configuration, you want to expand admin templates. And now you want to click on start menu and taskbar. And now this will appear on the right side. And now once you're on this, you want to find remove clock from the system notification area. So we're going to scroll down. It might take a while to find, but you want to find remove clock from the system notification area. Double click on it. And now this will come up. You want to make this disabled and then click on OK. Now you want to restart your computer. And then hopefully this will fix your problem. For the next method, you want to go to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. You want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. And now you want to go to search again and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you're on this, you want to type in SFC space / scan now and then click on enter. And you want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And now once that's been done, now you want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.